What's up, everybody? JNC Productions, bringing you a rocket launch. What's up? Say hi, Elsewhere. Said say hi.
Hi.
That's better.
How you doing?
Say hi, Megan. Forget you.
Put the thing inside the...
That's what she said.
Dude, just go record.
Go that way. Look. Go look. Hold real quick. I'm on the wrong side. I don't want sunlight.
There it is.
No, it's out of here. That's gone, everybody. I'm sorry.
Dude, that thing's going that fast.
Where is it?
It's right there.
Where is it?
It's right there. It's going, and... it's behind.
You haven't launched us yet?
We already did launch it.
I was about to say. Hey, are you happy, Alfonso? Retrieval mission complete. Slight damage.